Are you busy? No, I am not busy. Are you busy? No, I am not busy. Are you happy? No, I am not happy. Are you happy? No, I am not happy. What is today's day? It's Saturday. What is today's day? It's Saturday. Can I use your phone? Sure, here you go. Can I use your phone? Sure, here you go. Do you like music? Yes, I like music. Do you like music? Yes, I like music. How many books are there? There are 4 books. How many books are there? There are 4 books. How was the trip? It was so fun. How was the trip? It was so fun. What did you buy? I bought a cake. What did you buy? I bought a cake. What is that? That is my bag. What is that? That is my bag. Why are you late? Because I missed my bus. Why are you late? Because I missed my bus. What do you do? I am an actor. What do you do? I am an actor. Who is he? He is my dad. Who is he? He is my dad. What do you want? I want your bicycle. What do you want? I want your bicycle. Where are you? I am at home. Where are you? I am at home. What is that? That is a pencil. What is that? That is a pencil. Where is my book? It's in the library. Where is my book? It's in the library.